Pink? Still no. Then brown? Yes. Alrighty then. You know what we need to do with the clay
Di
first.
ko alam. Di ko alam eh.
And now it's
Okay,
rolling
na
time. We need to do this really well,
Taraya
friends.
right side. Pupansin naman
Now
to.
I will press the mold with a bit of effort.
Hyrax.
This.
Ayain mo na lang lahat. Pati si Lucas,
Let's remove the extra
ayain mo.
clay. We won't need it anymore anyway. And then we'll get to decoration.
Kailangan ba may mga host kayo? Hindi ko kasi alam.
Hello, Elephant.
Yung mga admin ko dito, alam nyo ba?
This is so nice.
Eme lang yan
Nice to
sila.
meet you too. Can you tell our
Basta
friends
may
more about
ma-host lang
yourself?
ako dito. May ma-admin lang ako dito eh. Ano lang yan. May ma-admin lang ako.
Swim in cool water and even take a
Para
dive.
bang may mga silbis.
But
Eme
my
lang.
favorite part is when my mommy does this.
Eme lang.
Real shower.
Eme lang.
We've got 2 wild animals already. What is going to be the third one? Oh wow!
Tatampo
Looks like we
yan.
found a lion.
Tampo sa bigas. Tampo sa bigas.
Our lion knows perfectly what color he is
Ilang
going to be.
percent na ako?
Yellow.
5 minutes na lang ako.
Rolling, rolling
5
our yellow
minutes
piece
na
of
lang ako.
clay. This is
Wala nang nanonood. Pag mga usap-usap lang, walang nanonood. Pag pinapakita ko dito yung pek-pek ko, nanonood kayo.
and see what we get. Carefully. Oh, our lion
Pupansin
stayed in the
to.
mold.
Lahat na ng kasamaan eh, no? Alam mo.
There you go.
Lahat ng kasamaan alam mong gawin sa
Which is
akin.
called mane. Here you go.
Nangangalay
And
na
this is
ako.
a matching tail for you. Hope you like it. I am a big and strong lion. Lions are very proud and beautiful big cats. They are not afraid of anyone. They are predators and eat meat. And this is how baby lions look. These 2 cubs are so playful. Do they remind you of kittens? Me too.
Bilang kaibigan. Yok sa'yo.
Know what other animals
Yoko na. Break na tayo.
something interesting. I guess there is
Grabe.
somebody hiding inside this cute box.
Idol, paki-follow back. Salamat.
Okay, here we go. Aha! It's a zebra. Little prankster.
Pa-end na ako, guys.
Trying to pick up the perfect color.
Nangangalay na ako. Gusto ko na matulog. Nangangalay. Tapos gusto matulog. Ano raw? Ano raw?
Excuse me, zebra. This is my zebra. Go and play somewhere over there. In the meantime, I will hold this piece of pink clay really well, but not too fast. Now, let's place our zebra mold against it and press it a little bit.
Kala namin sasayaw. Ito ako sasayaw. Wala naman na drop ng 100.
Zebra, come on out. There you go. Hey, roll around. I think she's a little bit lazy.
Anong kami naman? Anong kami? Anong gagawin nyo? Nawawala yung filter ko. Nakikita nyo yung totoo ko mukha. Para bang
Zebras are very interesting animals. Do you want to know more about zebras, friends?
kita nyo yung mukha ko.
Immediately tries to get to its meat, and within an hour, it will happily frolicking and jumping around. And actually, zebras are black with white stripes and not with black stripes. Okay,
Wow, thank you po.
I'm looking. Hey, I don't get it. Where is the next animal mold?
2 minutes na lang ako. May asim pa legit. Over naman.
You shouldn't be late.
Over naman. Hi, Flip. Thank you for the like, Flip. O yung isipag mag-like ni Flip po. Tapos, yung isa dyan, di man lang nagtatap. Hi, Willie. Hi, Willie. Willie. Nandito ka na.
Well, you are right about to know more about me. Foxes are very gracious animals. They
Kita mamaya. Papansin, anong oras no? Mag-end na ako. Ngayon mo lang naisip. Pa-end na ako. Ay, don't bother me, bitch. Really, I'm not bothering you. I'm just want to welcome you to my life. Wala na, malulubat na ako. Slow mo pa, wag ka na pansin. Mag-end na ako, guys. Bye. I accept. Bye na, guys. Gusto ko nang mag-sleep at kumain. Sabi mo tinatamad ka na, kaya mag-end na ako. Sabihin niyo, wag na. Wag niyo akong pigilan! Matutulog na ako. Maaga pa ako bukas talaga. May practice kami. Twerk battle. Baliw. Youngster na I'm a big boss. Oh my. Ano na, Lucas? Bala ka nga dyan. Mag-end na ako. Ayoko na. Bye-bye na. Doon na kayo sa far away. Bye, guys. Doon kayo sa far away. Di ako magla-live mamaya, natatamad na ako. Absent ako bukas. Absent day. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much to you all. Ikaw nga pindo. Ano ba yung lagi ko